Okay, so we do have some 2 eggs here, bicarbonate of soda or baking soda, baking powder. We have 2 lemons, fermented milk or maziwa lala, that's how we call it here. I have some light brown sugar, some salt. I also have some icing sugar. So for the first time, I'm going to be trying icing in today's cake. So we'll try it out together and see how it turns out. And then of course a baking tin and some extra tins for some extra ingredients like lemon juice. Yeah, and of course all-purpose flour. So let's get into making our lemon cake.
So welcome to the channel. Thank you so much for tuning in once again, and thank you so much for the love in my previous video. Karibu sana. If you like lifestyle homemaking content, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video. It really helped my channel to reach a wider audience. Thank you so much.
Zest. So we're going to add in the 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's add it. Sieve. So this is our all-purpose flour.
So we are going to add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder and then half a teaspoon of baking soda or bicarbonate of soda. I'm sorry, the frame was cut, so you didn't see me holding the ingredients to the camera, but that's what I'm adding. I'm adding a half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. There was still a little flour left on the sieve, that's why it looks like it's a lot of it coming through, but that's mixed with some of the leftover flour. I'm then going to go ahead and add sugar separately in some ingredients or in some recipes. Sorry, I know that Sometimes you will mix the sugar with the oil and the eggs, but in today's recipe I'll be doing differently, so I'm going to add sugar next. I won't be sieving it because sugar has large particles and it will take forever if I decide to sieve it. So I'm going to add just half a cup of sugar. I don't like my cakes too sugary. You can always adjust sugar depending on your preference. You could use 3/4 cup, you could use quarter of a cup, or 2/3. It's just based on your preference.
Consistency. So we're then going to put it in the oven. So let that bake for 5 minutes. So while that is cooking, we're going to do our icing. So for the icing, we'll be using mala, fermented milk, and some icing sugar, and some more lemon juice. I used up all the lemon juice, so I'm going to squeeze out some more. So let's squeeze out some more lemon juice. Half a cup of mala. I'm gonna add the lemon juice. Add a bit of the lemon zest. Oops, I feel like I should have added ice.